Our simulation lab here at Brock University for the students coming in who are interested in careers in healthcare. Now we are this simulation lab is run by our Department of Nursing here, so always we're hoping that they'll choose to enter nursing as a career, but I think it's great any healthcare career that they're thinking of. What we've been able to set up is a few stations here today, and the students can experience things in a very controlled setting. So we've been able to put patients into cardiac arrest where we can let them practice chest compressions. They've been able to practice intubating patients. They've been able to practice putting needles and starting IVs in a very safe place. Just getting that touch and feel of what things may be like when they are out there in practice. This is a really nice group, high achieving group of students, so we feel really comfortable just letting them touch the equipment. They're not getting big formal lectures or scientific explanations, but just to touch and feel and see if they like this kind of environment.
Today they're learning about intubating infants, a cardiac arrest patient. I think we're also going to go into the other side where they're going to actually have a mannequin birthing, which will be very exciting, especially for the kids who are looking into pediatrics right now. Obviously things we can't take them around the hospital to let them observe, so this is a great place where they can see patients and the types of care that are given here. But last year's, this was one of the most amazing days for the kids. The response was huge, so we were very excited to get the opportunity to provide it for them again this year. We're hoping this will be something we can do annually for the students. It's the best way for them to really actually learn to drop an IV line into somebody, and they won't even get that experience until maybe their second year into med school. So,
with Canada facing a critical shortage of healthcare workers, it's hoped that this program may inspire some of the students to pursue a career in the field.
I decided to sign up for this program because I was always interested in a healthcare career, and I wasn't exactly sure what field I wanted to go into. I thought it would be a good opportunity to get some experience in the hospital with healthcare professionals to see what actually the job entails. We've been exploring different careers that I never even knew existed, and it's been eye-opening to see that it's not just doctor, nurse. There's so many other careers within the system that you could do that still make a big difference. Oh, it's honestly a great idea. If you're not even sure if you want to go into healthcare or business or become a lawyer, this opens up your eyes to different healthcare professions, and it can be really helpful when you're making a decision for post-secondary education.
It's possible that the students taking part in the program will be treating you or your family in just a few years. From Brock University, for The Source, I'm William Kelly.